Good morning everyone and welcome to you in this daily update on Bitcoin, mainly these days, and maybe the Alts we're going to see, but more likely Bitcoin, bit of gold also. Anyways, hope you're doing great. Hope you have been able to trade Bitcoin good with the last update we have done. I was on a Wednesday, as always. Where is a mouse here? Where we have planned what exactly? A first possible short trade, into the SFP anchorage view up really from this high here. So it was basically around 84,000, a little bit higher, 84,000, 85,000 basically. So we did got this very nice, the microphone is on, yes, perfect. We've got this very nice SFP anchorage view up touch here. Well, missed the anchorage view up, but well, this is a zone, so it's all good. We've got the short here, that's very nice, and we've got this lovely continuation to the long target we have planned in the daily update on Wednesday, but updated that a little bit as we've got the other increase in price. This was the next long, and so we wake up here on the morning with a front run at the moment. Where is this? Here with a front run of this target and with some, you can see here, big absorptions overnight. Here it was 1 a.m. You can see here you have a low, higher low, and you have a low here, a lower low with some big shorts here. You can see all the shorts open. You can see here 1.8 million, 1.3, 3.8, 8.6 million with an open interest increasing. These are new market order shorts coming in. You can see that the price is not going really down here. It's moving up basically. So all of this is getting absorbed, and now we are getting a bit the demand to reverse all of this. So it looks like we're going to end up this with a front run at the moment. That brings us a bit with a failed auction basically below that low, but yeah, this is for me a front run of this target. By the way, we had a DNPOC here normally. Key levels weighted up here. Ah, jeez. Yeah, wait, we had a key level normally here. The DNPOC. Wait, why is it not here anymore? Alright, I don't know. So that was no DNPOC then. Alright. Anyways, yeah, so pretty cool plan. We're going to update all of this. The wave I'm remaining with the same plan, to be honest with you. I'm gonna remain a bit patient, see what we create. Some new data. Moreover, this now the weekend is coming, so yeah, there is not much to say, to be honest with you. But yeah, let's focus on the plan with the levels mainly here. So let's update this. Gonna hide that for the moment. The shorts here. Yeah, we're going to update the shorts here. So, well, the first one here we can, well, let's keep that for now. Daily time frame. All right, we do have one new daily up here. Let's go on the 1 hour and let's go on MOONCHARTS. No naked session, path control, 1 TPO 83, 150. Where is this? Good. Then what do we have on this one here? Good highs. We have a pull low, so it would be nice to take the low here once more. Yeah, okay, well, yeah, that pull low is something to be aware of. That would be nice to take the low here. Yep. And the DNPOC. $84.12.5. Okay, and so on the TIX one, it looks like this is the same. 500. Yeah, okay. Well, let's take the 500.5. Oops. Good, gonna take that one. It's a little bit higher. Good. So let's go on the order flow here. That ray is a strong rise, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, this rise is pretty strong, not gonna lie. Right, not sure we'll take the low, to be honest. Alright, so let's make the plan here. So, for a short trade, we can look for this fixed range as always within this range here. So now we did got reclaimed this first resistance, so we can look for, well, either a fake out above like this, or something a little bit more complex, fake the pump once more, and bam, either a new high, either just a retest and come back down. But for me this is too low, I'm not going to look for a short here. So the next short, to be honest with you, will be, well, a new high, to be honest with you. Yeah, well, the next short here for me will be very simply, well, I'm gonna take that one, move this on the right. Sorry. Yeah, this is going to be the next short for me. So basically a swing £30 reflection of the top again once more. Okay. This, and if we don't get that, so to speak, that will be, well, this right here, maybe up to this level. But the problem is if we start getting acceptance above this short here, okay, the problem is we are going to get acceptance into a gap here. And so if we are getting acceptance into a gap here, we expect it to be filled, and so to go to the top of it. So the top of the gap here is coming around 86,400. So in that case, 86,400. Yeah, that brings us with something a little bit longer here to the upside. So to be fair, I don't really like the confidence up here, to be honest. Let me see again this. Yep. All right. Well, I will view this as just one target. Okay, it's 86,400. All right. So, oh yeah, okay, I will view this as just, let's get rid of that one. I will view this right here as one zone, basically. You have the bottom of the zone and the top of the zone. So basically you can look for a short at the bottom of the zone and for a short at the top of the zone. Okay, so the top of the zone here will be this, and you will look for these highs here to be taken. Okay, that will be the target next. So you have basically this TPO naked session path control, and you have the SFP of these lower time frame highs next. Okay, maybe a move up to, well, no, that will be the plan really. So this is a wall zone. Okay, and inside this zone you're having this bottom of the zone. Oops. Oh, come on. Okay, the bottom of the zone here, and you have the top of the zone. This is the wall zone basically. There is a gap. Bottom of the gap is a resistance. If we get acceptance inside, we expect to go to the top of the gap, so to the top of this zone basically. As simple as that really. Yeah, so that is a plan. So we have these two possible short trade within this zone. Okay, let's add this to the short here. There we go. Then let me update this, because the last time I was checking the video to add the timeline, you know, with the name of the, I mean the time and everything in the video was the timeline basically, and I noticed that this value RLO here of the wall downtrend shifted to here and not around the top anymore. So if I'm correct, before it was higher than this. Yeah, you can see it was the top literally. Now it is there. So it changed a bit the plan. Yeah, that's a very complex short, not gonna lie. That's a very large zone. Let's get rid of all these things here. Well, this is for the long. Let's add this into the long here. There we go. Because we already have a lot of levels. So if we start getting all these things, yeah, that's a very complex short. Okay, so we have these two first ones. Let's get rid of that. The next one will be this point of control. Yeah, the next one will be this point of control, but that brings us a lot of targets because we have this one, and we have the big shorts above here, around there more likely. So yeah, we have these two shorts above here. I would say let's see what we create over the weekend. Okay, if we manage to reclaim directly or not. If we do so, I'm gonna let you know in Discord with the data what's the best target between the two here. But for now, these two, to be honest with you, are really good. That's a problem because we have some good confluence here. We have a good confluence with the path control. We have the 61886% a bit below. We might get a pull and extension of 1618 from here to here to here. 1-to-1 extension. Correction here. 1-to-1 extension 123. So still can. Then you can see we have the 1618 up here for this very large all-time high to the low here. We have done a Valera low. So yeah, we do have some good confluence with everything. Let me just do this real quick. Yeah, this is the same basically. So yeah, these are the two shorts I would say within this range. Okay, let's make it easy. Can go maybe on this or on this. Oh, let's go on that. Oh yeah, I was playing with the harmonics by the way. Let's go on this one. So on the 1 hour here, basically to make it a little bit more simple, because right now there are a lot of levels on the chart, we cannot really understand what's going on. Let's take this, this one here, this one here, this one here, and this should be better now. Just right there. There you go. So that'll be easier to understand, I think. All right, so we have, why don't I have the other? There you go, much better. All right, and the anchor review up, and we will be done. There you go. So we have the first, shorts within this zone. So here. Okay, we have these two, we have the gap basically above us. So the bottom of the gap is acting as a resistance. If there is nothing good for a short here, we look for the top of the gap again. If we have a good short reaction, that's a short. If not, there is nothing to take. As always, I'm going to read the order flow into the targets to make the decision if I have or not to execute the trade. Again, I'm sometimes saying it, I'm sometimes not saying I'm gonna take the trade. This is not here a signal group. You're here to learn and make your own decision. Again, to make money in trading, the best is to make your own plan. Maybe use someone else's plan to really help yourself at the very beginning, but at the end make your own plan so you can become really independent in trading and make your money by yourself without following someone else's plan, or like taking the trade based on someone else's execution basically, because you're not going to use the same risk management. For example, if someone is taking the long but is already short from higher, you're not short from higher, so you're going to take the long with maybe a lot more than what the guy is taking with the long. So for example, you're going to take the long with, I don't know, 8% or maybe 10% of your wall account. The guy is only going to take 0.5% because the short is going to cover the loss, and the plan is to make even more with the short, for example. So there is something behind each trade basically, so the risk management that you are not going to get, and so the best is to not follow someone's trades. Okay, or you can get the targets like this, but not follow like if the guy is taking the trades, basically, because the risk management behind is not going to be the same for you, right? Anyways, hope that makes sense. So yeah, we have the gap basically here, this zone. We have two shorts, bottom of the gap, top of the gap. If we get acceptance above here, we can look for a short around this point of control. So we have this range basically. Boom. Can we take this bottom there? Yes, let's take that. So we have this, and this. Took. And the TPO by the way. And this fixed range here will be a little bit higher. All right, so we have this range, okay, and we can simply look here for and I'm gonna add this one there in the next one. Perfect. So we can just oh my god, this one here. Good. So we are having this range, okay. So we have the first, with the gap as I explained already. We have then this range. Within this range, we have these two short trades. Okay, we have the first short trade coming around this TPO point of control. Okay, this is a wall zone again. We'll have to see what data we have while approaching this. If we have anything good for a short trade in there, or if this can be good for a reversal. We're going to see in a limited time. If there is nothing into this zone basically, okay, this is a very complex zone. We'll have many good targets for sure, but well, I'm gonna try to make it easy. So first one is this, okay, best way here, the point of control. If we do reclaim that, we can look for this latest downtrend here. So from the all-time high to the bottom, we have done fixed range value area low plus the weekly naked point of control. Okay, so we have this very key also target here with, of course, a possible swing through pattern or of a few highs there, but this is again a zone here. Okay, so we have this second short trade. If we get again nothing bearish on the order flow, we can simply look for the next target, that is basically the anchorage VWAP from the all-time high plus the point of control of the latest downtrend. Okay, and by the way, what do we have here? Yeah, we have the big path control too, so this is perfect. That's a very, very, very good target, to be honest with you. Yeah, so that is a plan. So a lot of shorts. Again, we are going to, that's why we use the order flow. We plan the targets, and then we just have to see and read this like the time, see if there is anything good to take, or if you more likely expect a continuation, basically. So yeah, that is a plan. So for now, let's remain with these two little shorts just above us. If you really want to scalp that, I mean, I really don't like this price. I mean, the targets here again, you can trade that, but again, you can look for a short here, but I mean, yeah, I'm not expecting much of that, to be honest, but well, we'll see. Let me the time. I will set an alert. I will see if there is anything good here to take, but I would prefer really a lot more a new high to be made. Okay, yeah, no, I'm not gonna be interested in this. Yeah, so yeah, no, from your new high basically. Okay, for a short trade. And so yeah, we covered all the shorts, and so for a long, well, basically we have the ones we have planned already. So we have a swing through panel failed auction first to follow up the low we have done. If we don't do a swing through panel failed auction, we can look for this range. I completely forgot to remove all the draw from the last update. We have this very nice range here. Can I increase the size of this other things here? Range high, okay, and we have the range low here. We have this range. Again, the top is a support. If we get a good reaction, that's a long. If we get acceptance back into the gap, then this is, we just have to trade the range back again until it breaks. So to speak, we can look for the middle of the range here, sorry, so value high, middle of the gap. The best way to come here down to 60k. This is a very, 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 very key support. And if we don't hold this, we can look for a full reversal to the bottom of the range, fake out of the bottom of the range. And again, if we get a good breakout, we go down to the next target. Extra. Okay, but for now, if we get acceptance below, we have this nice range to trade again back until it breaks. There you go. So yeah, that is a plan basically with the two best long trades. Again, be aware of that we can get a bit acceptance into the gap and fake it because we have the 6% just below. So we can do a wick below here, reclaim next like this. We can do something like that. Okay, so we'll have to see again what's happening upon the reclaim of the gap. Of the, oh my god, I don't know why I'm calling this a gap. The range top, sorry. So yeah, with a wave, nothing crazy still. Okay, can these be 5 waves up here? Yes, it can, by the way. So it'll be a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why is it gray like that? Nice. So in that case, we can look for an A, B, C, duck, or for an impulsive here. So wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For now, I'm gonna be more with the correction, sorry, ABC zigzag personally, but we'll see. Again, the wave 4 can be or not. We saw that in the last update. I'm not going to repeat myself on all the different configurations. Please really go and watch the last update. You have much more details. I might forget a few things otherwise. So yeah, ABC zigzag. I'm gonna bet on this more likely. Otherwise, impulsive to the upside if we get something really big to the upside and healthy. Again, even if we do the 5 ways to the upside, as you know, it can still be bearish. I think it was there. Yeah, it can still be, you know, for the ABC flat 5 ways in the C, going to the 1-to-1 extension, you know, with a short wave plan and come back down. So yeah, many configurations still. It's not because we have 5 ways up that we are going to be bullish still. It can still be bearish because of a longer correction basically into the second X wave of the XY X and Z. Okay, for the Z to be made later. That will be the best, to be honest with you, still to make the 5 ways, but we'll see. Yeah, so that's it for me for today. Really good long on gold, by the way. You know, the long we have taken I mean, it took the long a little bit before, but I was showing this in the live stream. Can't remember which one. You can just go into the Alts TA section here, gold, and there you go. It's this one. If you go and check out this, yep, here we go. It was here. Yeah, so very nice long trade. We talk about a 5% increase in price, and we are approaching a big resistance of 3,000. I was about to say 300,000, but no, this is just 3,000. This is already pretty insane, to be honest. This is a very psychological level and target, and yeah, we might get something of that, to be honest with you. So normally we're into a wave 5. Okay, we've got, you know, so we can get rid of that now. We've got the wave 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3. We took the long of the wave 4. Can we still be in a correction in that? Yes, it looks like, to be honest. Yeah, so we can still make something like well, we can make an ABC flat, to be honest with you. So ABC flat, normally not a double XY. Okay, so 5 ways down in that case, complete the wave 4, and then boom, look for the wave 5. And if we raise directly, it means that these, and this is what I'm going to take more likely, is a wave 1, 2, 3. We might get a bit of a pullback and take the highs once more, and boom, boom, boom. Let's come back down here for the wave 4 next door. Pretty big move to the downside, to be honest with you. Okay, because this right here, well, this was a looks like it was a small one, but I think it was a 50%. Yeah, perfect, by the way. We'll have 73% chance to bounce from the 56% when we are in a wave 2. So next, if we have done this, let me just see here, what was the target approximately for the wave 3, boom, 2618, that's fine. So if we do retrace from there, we can look for, well, this I will have to add the confidence with this, but the best way to come down to this section here. So let's just try it now. What is that? Let me just go with the log scale here. Well, the premise we don't have the latest data, so in any case that would change the volume, so the targets are going to be a little bit different. But yeah, for now this is what we can look for more likely. First of all, the 2316, 38.2. That's a very small one, to be honest with you. Best will be to come down to the 38.2 50%. Sorry here. But yeah, for now we don't have the exact all-time high, so even these targets are not really corrected, just approximately, if we retrace from here. So yeah, oops, that is the gold TA. Pretty nice long, not gonna lie. Pretty lovely. Let's get rid of that, and otherwise on the arts, let me have a look. Oh wow, insane. Did not check it out all the arts. Well, we might get the same on the other ones then. Where are we right now on this? Okay. That's pretty nice. Oh yeah, that was the first one of the 1618 here. And the next one, yeah, well, I'll still prefer lower overall, but okay. Can you load or? Ah, come on. Right. So well, the possible long is of that thing, basically point of control. Have to get Bitcoin bullish as always at the same time. A year got an absolute crazy nice bounce here. Well, again, it is nothing, but this is still very good. Let me see, and so this is off the second target we have planned here. Let's go on this one. Yeah, it's nice. Well, let's see if we manage to continue this, change the market structure and form some 5 waves here to the upside. If we do so, that's pretty cool, and I might buy this again. Let's see if we manage to do this. If we do this, change the market structure, or at least do the 5 waves here on a lower time frame, that would be nice. If we do so, that's very, 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 very good, and we might see some bullish wave next on that one. That's pretty cool. So yeah, let's see what we create on this. We have the Bitcoin plan. Let's see what we manage to get here. So on Bitcoin, if we manage to get some shorts of the first zone or not, and then let's move on to the second one. Extra. Let's see step by step what we do here. And yeah, what we create basically over the weekend. By the way, do we have any news today? I just have no idea. Yes, okay. Not sure I'll be there. It's 3 PM UTC plus 1. So let's add 255. There you go. Alright, so that's it for today. Not the best plan ever right now. It's pretty complex with the targets for a short, to be honest with you above. But well, hope I made this easy to understand. If you want to help, as always, you can write some comments down below, smash a likes if you enjoy the content I'm doing for free. Basically all of this is free, even the updates in Discord. So if you enjoy all this, smash a likes, write some comments down below. Thank you so much if you take the time to do it, as always. Wishing you all a brilliant day ahead, a nice weekend ahead too, and yeah, catch you all on Monday for the next one. Let's see where we are on Monday. Have a nice one. Cheers.